Hello everyone! In this video, I will review the EKSA gaming mouse from EKSA. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. Inside the box you'll find user manual and the EKSA EM100 mouse. This gaming mouse is ergonomically constructed, so it's very comfy to use. 4 buttons and a rubberized. The side has 2 buttons. The device is also RGB lights. It has a DPI switch and a RGB button. You can change the color and modes either from the software or by pushing the RGB button. With the DPI switch, you can change the DPI from 800 to 8500 DPI steps. Overall, this mouse is comfortable, and it can be used for a long time. And it's suitable for gaming, good for gamers and non-gamers. You can find the software on the official website. Thanks for watching.